Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'll be talking about a very common and a very easy to grow plant. Yes, this is no other than the periwinkle plant. This is also known as Sadabahar, Nayanthara or Vinca. This is an excellent evergreen plant with dark green foliage. And this plant blooms purple, blue or white flowers. And it does not even need that much of care. As you know, Delhi has extremely hot heat waves. And this is the only plant which makes our garden look beautiful during that time. Because this plant is a heat tolerant plant. And this is really easy to propagate as well. This can be propagated using cuttings or by using seeds. And you'll be able to see little baby plants growing because of seeds in your mother plant's pot. We found one small baby plant here and we are planting it right now. We have planted this plant with garden soil and kitchen waste compost. As you know, after planting your plant, you must always water your plants. And make sure to keep this in a semi-shaded area. After a few days, you'll be able to notice growth in the plant. After this plant starts having 3 to 4 leaves, make sure to prune this plant. Pruning is very necessary for your plants as it helps in lateral branching. And repeated pruning will help your plant get more bushier and healthier. And during this growing period of time, you can also give some kind of liquid fertilizers. You can either give kitchen waste compost tea or vegetable peel liquid fertilizer, etc. And make sure to keep the plant in a sunlight area. After a month, you'll be able to notice your plants growing like this. Look, in each plant there's 4 to 6 branches. And the flowers have also started blooming. By just looking at the plant, you'll be able to notice how healthy the plant is. And during this flowering, fertilizer is a must. But as this is the summer season, slow releasing fertilizer is the best for any kind of plant. That's why we are going to give a fertilizer that is slow releasing and also acts like a mulch. Before giving any kind of fertilizer, you know that you must dig your soil. And while digging, make sure to remove all the weeds. The fertilizer is nothing else than cocoa pit, sand and kitchen waste compost. It's just a simple mixture of those 3 things. And you have made a really easy slow releasing fertilizer which also acts like a mulch. Do you know this plant also has many kind of uses? Such as this plant can be used for skincare or hair care. Plus it also has many medicinal benefits. And you can easily get that by making periwinkle tea. You will be able to know its medicinal benefits by searching anywhere. Also, if you want to get some of its medicinal benefits, you can also check our channel where we show you how to make periwinkle tea. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.